Hello, it's my first YouTube video. Right now I'm jumping in a coast tractor. I can't drive it because I'm only young. First video. Look at that one open. Yep, she can. Now, one sec. Maybe it can't. Anyway, I'm in a case tractor. That's what that says. Puma. Anyway, here's my header. Tractor. Got me confiscated, whatever it is. Got the cat digger. Got the, whatever it is. Got some tanks. Got all the technology. Got a spare seat. / bloody cup holder. Open the door. Gotta open the door before I die. Then I'll have no more videos. Ugh. Then you got some shape. Got some little lambs. That's today's video, the tour of the farm. See you on my first video, and I'll see you in the next.